Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can customize car motion clues on iPhone or like vehicle motion clues. It's super easy. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibility. In this, you will find motion over here. Click on that. Then simply do is click on this vehicle motion clue. Once you click on that, you have to do is click on customize appearance, and you can customize all the colors or visibility over here as well. So you can change the pattern of these dots over here, or you can change the colors as well. You can see over here all the colors are changing, so you can as well do this. Or you can change the visibility as well. You can you can change it to large dots over here, so you can see over here it's going to be like change, and you can see over here the last option over here, more dots. Once you click on that, you can get more dots on the display, and that's it. That's how you can change it or like customize it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like more videos, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.